Can you pour 5 grams of salt into the 25 grams of water? Use the handle. That's it.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. All of the fats. 5 grams of salt. Okay. Can you stir it?
Yes.
There's a stirry stick. And give it a really good stir. Okay, can you get your rover down? Okay.
It wants to go already.
Can you take the fuel cell out the back? Okay. Right, you need to very carefully take the magnesium sheet off the metal bit and leave the material behind. Use 2 hands. That's it. Lovely. Now, so inside here there's the black bit at the bottom, which is called our air cathode. And that's exposed to the air through those vents there. Then there's the material sheet which has to go on top. Now we mustn't get any of that bit underneath there wet, okay? Now it said to scratch this. So I'm going to hold it very carefully and using the file I'm going to put just some light scratches on this part here.
Is it meant to scratch?
Yeah, I think this has got a protective coating on, you see. I think what we're removing is something from the surface because magnesium is very reactive. So if it'll basically rust very quickly, even just in the air surface. Why does it rust?
Yeah.
It's a great question because the material doesn't want to be like this. You know how ice cream wants to melt? Well, this metal doesn't want to be like this. It doesn't. It's like a frozen ice cream. It wants to melt and become something else. Okay, that's scratched up. Now we're going to use the dropper. Should I do this bit first time? Just take a little bit. Okay, 1 drop in the centre. 1. That's probably plenty. Okay.
It's rusting up.
Wow, not yet, but it will. Now put the magnesium sheet on.
No. Put it on.
Right. Okay, shall we try and put this in? See if we can get it to work like a battery. Well, I'd say that works rather well. Shall we see if it can climb over a few things like a proper Mars rover would?
Yes.
Okay, well let's make a little obstacle course. Right then, put the fuel cell back in carefully. And that will create a voltage for the motor. You ready?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that go! Give it a nudge back on course.
Course off driving.
Go to...
Going over the bit.
Oh, it's pretty powerful that, isn't it, considering it's running on salt water. That's it, pull it out.
It's starting right. Not yet. Because I have to put it.
Let's have a look.
Got
See?
it.
You got that?